The fundamental philosophy within ASME is that we communicate with symbols and numbers, not words, whenever possible. And the basic reason for that is that not all of us speak the same native languages. So as we're communicating with each other, we can all read the same symbols and numbers. Language makes it harder. In addition, symbols are pretty compact. They're small. Words take up a lot of space. There are, however, times when there are not symbols that will communicate what you want to communicate. And so in those cases, you do have to use notes, and ASME allows us to do that. So here are some things about what to do with the corners and removing sharp edges and so forth. You can apply a general note to the entire drawing, so you'll put it, here are some general notes, you'll put them somewhere in your title block, in your drawing. Or you can apply a specific note just to one feature, like these notes here. When you apply general notes to the whole drawing, it's common to see them down here in the lower left corner, and the main reason for that is just this is where there's some blank space. So that's where we put our notes. And you'll notice that this example out of our book is written in reverse numerical order with one at the bottom and then going up. That's a leftover from the old days of pencil drafting when you really didn't want to have to erase things. So starting at the bottom and going up leaves you room at the top to add more notes later on. Well, nowadays, in recent decades, now that we use CAD, that's really not an issue. So you will find more and more people writing 1, 2, 3 in order from top to bottom, and that's perfectly fine. Here are just 3 examples of notes. So here's one from an electronics company down in California. Here are their notes. Here's one from some kind of fabrication company. You can see that sometimes finish information is put down here. And here's one from an optics company up in Beaverton. They have put their notes up in the upper left corner. That's fine. That's where they had room. Notice this triangle symbol. So this is very common also. This is a big old long note, and it refers to this symbol right here. There's a triangle with a 4 in it. There's the triangle with the 4 in it. It's common to see drawings that have these kinds of symbols in several places in the drawing referring to these notes. So watch for that. By the way, this box with stuff in it that the triangle is sitting on is an example of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. And this feature control frame is talking about tolerancing the position, the position of this hole. And if you come back next year, we'll learn how to read those and how to draw those.